I know. When you start, you gotta go. Yep.
Oh my goodness, we on top of the world. We on the tropical rainforest. Me and Dr. Brown.
Yeah, we up there.
Oh,
stop.
stop.
Rainforest, brother.
Oh, wait.
Picture, man.
Oh my goodness.
Should I pose for you or what?
Oh man, I'm just trying to get all this.
We trying to get out there?
Oh, it's cool though. We like 1,000 feet in the air.
Oh, we are.
You know, I'm trying not to drop my camera because I know if I drop it, it's never gonna come back.
That's right.
Shout out to all my people, man. We in Africa.
Oh, I'm trying to be cool.
In the tropical rainforest.
That's right.
All my peeps.
Little swag.
Oh, snaps.
I'm trying to be like girl.
Oh.
Girl.
Yeah, man. Cameraman, he better than anybody.
He's doing it.
Shoot, son.
I know. I know. Wow, very intense.
Wow.
Wow, that is so beautiful.
Wow.
Wow.
All right, let me get up off of this thing. Hey, this one leaning a little bit. What's up with this one? Oh, Daryl, let me get this on camera. Let's go, team. Good job. Good job. All right. Good stuff.
All right, good stuff, y'all.
Coconut balls.
Good stuff.
Coconut balls.
George apparently has them.
Woo! All right. Dorville. Devanina. Gail.
Trooper. Serious trooper. We're all troopers.
Hey, man, I thought I heard a monkey. That is a monkey.
Where?
Oh, they up there still. No wonder. We getting lower now. Oh, there goes Susan way over there. All right, let's do this next one. Are we going back up?
Yep. Oh, you take a picture. Okay.
I'm sweating like crazy. Up here, 1,000 feet in the air. In Africa. It's feeling good. Feeling real good. Some of these ants. Them ants, man. They big black ants. They bite.
Excuse me. I don't want to get in.
Terrell, my man, student, my side brother Terrell coming through.
You taking a video?
Yes, man. Like the mighty man that he is, representing Saab. 1,000 feet in the air. That's what we do. My man. All right, let's do the next one. All right, Deb.
I'm going to give him
Danina?
space.
All right, you want me to go first?
No, I'm
Okay.
going first.
Oh, okay.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
If you were to fall down, like,
We gonna hit.
that away if I were
If you was to fall down, you gonna hit a tree branch and it'll save your life.
No, if I were to fall down, at least I'm falling down in something wonderful.
Wonderful.
You
Yeah.
part of the forest.
Yeah, you become part of the rainforest. How about that? Oh, I gotta use two hands. I can't be using one hand. This camera gonna have to go. Sorry, guys. Trying to get good footage, but I don't know. Shoot, son. This is student research for you. Woo! Goodness. Let me zoom in on these cats.
Keep it moving.
All right. Trying to get a good video, man. This is, you know, don't happen often to a brother. These bugs keep finding my face, though. It's not cool. I better not get bit. Goodness. I think I'm just gonna go to pictures now. Look at that right there. Beautiful. Look at that. We in the canopy of the rainforest. They say at nighttime all the animals come out. They don't come out during the day because tourists and stuff, but at night it gets wild. You hear all type of Alright. This is 5 minutes of my time here in the canopy. I'm about to let y'all go so I can get through. I'll show y'all some more pictures later. Alright, fam. Check y'all later.